Okay, example 5 wants to, or it says an available IV solution contains 1 gram and 500 milliliters. Question's asking how many milligrams per milliliter are contained in the solution. Okay, so this is a little different than what we're looking at in the notes because it asks for milligram per milliliter, but it gives it to you in grams. Okay, so we can't just stick our milligrams over the milliliters and divide them. We actually need to do a conversion here to get rid of grams. So our desired answer is in that question, how many milligram per milliliter? Okay, so let's start with that. That is our desired answer. Well, like I said, we need milligram at the top, and they didn't give us anything to us about milligrams, but we do have to get rid of grams. So let's do that conversion between milligrams and grams. Remember, there are 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. Again, be sure and put milligrams on top because that was our desired answer here. So 1,000 milligrams is over 1 gram. Now, gram is on bottom, so that means our next fraction needs to have gram on the top. So up there they told us that 1 gram is dissolved into 500 milliliters of fluid. So we'll put 1 gram over 500 milliliters. Now, check your units. The grams are going to cancel, and we'll wind up with milligram on top and milliliter on bottom. So whenever you do the multiplying and dividing, it should come out to be 2 milligrams per milliliter.